If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful drill, look no further. We've got the DEKO Pink cordless drill today. So this is only weighing 1.65 pounds and charges via a Type-C charging cable. It is so convenient for quickly putting things up. It's got multiple attachments that come with it. It's got a keyless chuck, a battery indicator light, a forward and reverse switch, LED work light, and a control trigger obviously is what you're going to be using it for. Nice soft gripped handle. You can see at the bottom is where you plug it in. Really like a long lasting battery on it too. I feel like I have been all good with using it. 42 accessories completely come with it, so you should be set up. Suitable for DIY and home projects or maintenance, and this little level actually comes with it as well. So you are good to go. Perfect for home use or gifts. And I gotta say, I went for it because of the color. If you have to say unscrew a shelf or install shelves or some DIY projects as stated, it's perfect for that. It's got a keyless chuck, firm and non-slip grip at the top. Great for placing your drills in it. It is not a professional or heavy duty drill, but works great for small projects.